If you don't like waiting for tech support but still want your Windows update to work, then try these quick fixes yourself. First, don't panic. KB5062660 is an optional update for Windows 11, so you can skip it if you want and wait for the official release next month. But if you want it now, start by pausing updates and settings, waiting a minute, then resuming them. Restart your PC. It sounds simple, but it works more often than you think. Next, check Windows Update Services. Open Run, type services.msc, and make sure both Background Intelligent Transfer Service and Windows Update are running. Still stuck? Unplug unused devices and temporarily disable any third-party antivirus. Now run the Windows Update Troubleshooter in Settings. If nothing works, download the update manually from the Microsoft Update Catalog and run the installer. As a last resort, try an in-place upgrade with the Media Creation tool, or use Fix Problems using Windows Update in Recovery Settings. Stay patient, your update will be working